Okay, so these were in the oven for 7 minutes and we turn the back to the front so that the front part would be in the back cooking.
For some
Turning.
even cooking.
And
Let me do
is-
this, Mother. Here, let's show the people. Here's the,
That's the first batch that was in the oven, and this is what they look like. They can be, even if they're lighter on top, it's okay. And they make a perfect cookie.
let me zoom in on that cookie there, Mother.
And you got in what, about 80 cookies out of that batch.
50 for the first batch. All right, now turn it over. Okay, hold it
That's
up a
what they
little.
look
There
like.
you go.
But they also will come higher, and you get the 80 or less. You can get less.
Depending on how you cut them. Okay, now you have your cooling racks over there.
This was rolled a little thinner than I usually roll them. Usually
Okay.
they come a little thicker.
They look beautiful and they smell
So
wonderful.
you put them on the cooling rack and you get the others back in. Yeah.
Nope.